You got it. Keep turning over here towards me. Turn it more. Keep turning it. That's it, just like your scooter. Keep going, dude. Keep going all the way to Mommy's house.
Hi there.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Look what I'm doing.
Look what I'm doing.
Keep going straight all the way to Mommy's house. Slow it down. Now turn it. Great job. There you go. There you go. Go straight first. See if it goes straight first. Just like your scooter. Take it off. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Turn it this way. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. That's it, dude. Man, you rock. Listen for cars. Keep going, bud. You're doing awesome. All the way down. Follow the curve. Turn it. Turn it. Okay, come back to me. Come back to me. Look over here. Over here, Nene. Turn it. There you go. Not so fast. Coast it. There you go. Keep going to Mommy's house. Or Daddy's house, too. Keep going. You're doing great, dude.
Hi, there.
Hi, baby. Keep going, baby. Think about your turn. Turn it this way. Great. Man, you rock, dude. Is it easy? How does it feel?
Good.
Great. Start thinking about your turn, baby. There you go. Slowly. There you go. Okay, I hear a car coming. Let's move to the side over here. Move to the side and hit the brakes. Put your feet down. Feet down. Okay, let's wait for this guy.